children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain assignment 5 in polynomials and factorization. Coming to question number 1, the factor of 9x square minus 25. Question number 1, the factor of 9x square minus 25. 9x square minus 25. Okay, coming to solution. Take the given polynomial 9x square minus 25. Here 9 can be written 3 square, 9 can be written 3 square and x square, and 5 can be written, 25 can be written 5 square. So we know since a square into b square is equal to ab whole square, a square into b square is equal to ab whole square. According to this property, this can be written 3x whole square minus 5 square. Again, this is in the form a square minus b square, since we know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. The formula of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here this can be written 3x plus 5 is a plus b and 3x minus 5 this is a minus b. In given options, option A, option B, both are correct. Answer is fourth option. In fourth option, he is given both A and B. Okay. Coming to question number 2. Coming to second question. The factor of t square minus 2t plus 1. T square minus 2t plus 1. He is asking the factor. So, solution. Here we can take this polynomial t square minus 2t plus 1. So, t square minus 2t plus 1. Here, t square minus 2t, this can be written 1 square. So, this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. This can be written t minus 1 whole square. Therefore, t minus 1 into t minus 1. T minus 1, t minus 1. Here, one of the factor of this is t minus 1. Therefore, the factor is here both are t minus 1. The answer first option is t minus 1. So, this is the answer. Coming to question number 3. Coming to question number 3, he is given expand x plus y minus z whole square. Expand x plus y minus z whole square. Expand x plus y minus z whole square. So I take this solution x plus y minus z whole square. Okay, already we know the formula a plus b plus c whole square. We know the formula a plus b plus c whole square equal to, the formula is a square plus b square plus c square, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here observe, here this is a plus b plus c. In the above problem, x plus y minus z, there is a negative sign opposite to z. So, here compare z with c. Where there is c, keep minus here. Where there is a c, keep minus here. So, coming to this problem, x square plus y square plus z square. If you observe c, keep negative like z. Plus 2ab means 2xy. Here observe there is a c. Here there is a minus. So keep minus before 2bc means minus 2yz. There is also c. So, and finally minus 2xz. Okay, this entire problem is depend on a plus b plus c whole square. The formula for a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, just observe the problem. There are 4 options are given and the correct option is the 4th option. Okay, note down. Coming to question number 4, the factor of question number 4, the factor of the factor of 4x square minus y square by 25. Y square by 25. So already the first problem is related to this problem. Here 4 can be written 2 square and x square. Y square is leave it and 25 can be written 5 square. So 2x whole square can be written. So since a square into b square is equal to ab whole square. A square into b square is equal to ab whole square. That's why we can write this 2x whole square minus this is in the form of a square by b square. So is nothing but a by b whole square. A square by b square is equal to a by b whole square. Just write here. This is y by 5 whole square. Okay. Again this is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square, Nana? A plus b into a minus b. So since a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this is a, this is b. 2x plus y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. In given options, the answer one is correct. So one of the factor is 2x minus y by 5. This is the answer. 2x minus y by 5. Okay, just observe is the easiest problem. Coming to question number 5. If a plus b is equal to question number 5. If a plus b is equal to 6, the given data a plus b is equal to 6 and a minus b is equal to 4. A plus b is equal to 6, a minus b is equal to 4. Then find a square minus b square. Then find a square minus b square is equal to how much? Solution. First of all, you start any problem, first write the given data in the given problem. Given a plus b is equal to 6. Given a plus b is equal to 6 and a minus b is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So just already we know the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In previous problem we discussed the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In same apply the formula, multiply these two equations. Equation 1 into equation 2 we get, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to 6 into 4. So what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b, children? A square minus b square. So the value a square minus b square is equal to 6 4s are 24. So this is the solution. It's the easiest one. Okay, coming to second Roman, fill in the blanks. Question number 6. If sixth one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 8, if a plus b plus c is equal to 8 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 18, ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 18, then find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Then he is asking the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Find a square plus b square plus c square is equal to how much? First of all, to any problem, first of all write the given data. write the given data in the given problem. Solution given a plus b plus c is equal to 8 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 18. So first take equation number 1. Take 1. 1 implies a plus b plus c is equal to 8. A plus b plus c is equal to 8. The given a plus b plus c 8. Okay. Here we find a square b plus b square plus c square. So here there is a squares. Then we can find apply squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Therefore a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 8 square. Apply formula a square plus b square plus c square. Already we know the formula in previous problem. 2ab 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a value of 8 square is equal to 64. The value of 8 square is equal to 64. So here we find this value. Therefore a square plus b square plus c square common to the remaining is ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 64. Already this value is given in our problem. The value is equal to 18. Therefore a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into 18 is equal to 64. 2 into 18 is equal to 64. Therefore a square plus b square plus c square 2 into 18 means 36. That is equal to 64 minus transfer to right side, that is equal to 36. So therefore a square plus b square plus c square is equal to the, what is the value of the 64 minus 36? 14 minus 6 8 and 5 minus 3 2 28. Okay, coming to question number 7. Coming to question number 7, if the sum of two numbers, if the sum of two numbers a and b, sum of two numbers a and b is 10. Sum of the two numbers is 10 and sum of their squares is 52 and sum of their squares is 52. Sum of squares means a square plus b square, comma, then find the product of the numbers is, then find the product of the numbers. The product of numbers. Solution. First of all start any problem. First of all write the given data. So here the sum of the two numbers is a and b, given a plus b is equal to, the two numbers already given a and b, so we can take directly ab is equal to 10. He asking, and also given a square plus b square is equal to 52. He asking product of their numbers. ab is equal to how much? So we are already given a square plus b square, then we apply squaring on both sides to equation number 1. So 1 implies a plus b is equal to 10. Squaring on both sides. Squaring means a plus b whole square is equal to 10 square. Therefore, already we know very well the formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 10 square equal to 100. 10 square value is 100. So already we know a square plus b square is equal to 52. Just substitute this value 52 plus 2 into ab is equal to 100. 2 into ab is equal to 100. Therefore 2ab is equal to 100 minus 52. 2ab is equal to 48. Therefore if we can find the ab, 2 transfer to division. Therefore ab is equal to 48 by 2. 24 times cancel. ab is equal to 24. This is the problem. Okay, coming to question number 8. 8.1. Expand 3x minus 1 by 3x whole square. 3x minus 1 by 3x whole square. Just is a very easiest problem. Just this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Already we know the formula of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So first of all, solution given 3x minus 1 by 3x whole square. So already we know the formula, since formula for a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. The formula for a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Just apply the formula here. So first take this a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Cancel these two. 1 by 3x, 1 by 3x get cancelled. So 3x whole square means 9x square. Here 1 by 9x square minus 2. This is the problem. Okay, easiest problem. And coming to question number 9. Coming to question number 9. 3x plus 5 whole square. 3x plus 5 whole square plus 3x minus 5y whole square plus 3x minus 5y whole square. This is 3x plus 5y whole square, 3x minus 5y whole square. Just already I know the formula, since a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to, I think already maximum students you know the formula. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab terms are cancelled. The remaining terms are 2a square terms and 2b square terms. There. So the formula for this is 2 into a square plus b square. Just apply the formula here. Just apply the formula. 2 into a square means 3x whole square. B square means 5y whole square. Okay, 2 into expand this 9x square plus 25y square. This is the problem, easiest problem. And coming to question number 10, 10th one. If a plus b is equal to 8, if a plus b is equal to 8 and ab is equal to 12, comma, ab is equal to 12, he is asking the value of a square plus b square. So find a square plus b square is equal to how much? Okay, solution. Students, just listen. First of all, to start any problem, write the given data. What is in the problem? So given data, given a plus b is equal to 8, comma, ab is equal to 12. Here we find the squares, a square plus b square. That's why we apply squaring on both sides to this equation. Squaring on both sides, that is a plus b whole square is equal to 8 square. Squaring on both sides, a square plus b square. This is a plus b whole square formula. 2ab is equal to 64. Already in given data, ab is equal to 12. To substitute here 12. Therefore a square plus b square plus 2 into 12 is equal to 64. Therefore, I finalize here. A square plus b square is equal to 64 minus 12 into 2, 24. 64 minus 24. Okay, therefore a square plus b square is equal to 40. These are all 10 questions. Okay, thank you very much.